Hey, what's up everybody? It's Harrison with Hail King Professional Roofing. I want to share something with you all today. This customer behind us, they actually had two roofing systems on their property. They had an asphalt-based shingle over a cedar shake shingle. So what we're doing today is we're actually removing both roofing systems that they currently have on there, going back with an asphalt-based system and replacing all decking because we discovered that there was rotted decking underneath these shingles. If you think that you have something similar to this, if you think that you have any rotted decking, if you have any leaks, if you have a roof that's over 25 years old, give us a phone call for a free inspection or swipe up.